Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create geometric portrait design using vector mask. Bring in a portrait with a clean background, add new shapes, layers, circles and rectangles. Use combined shapes to create an abstract layout. Now add a vector mask to the portrait layer. Use the pen tool to cut out through different zones. And now adjust the path for each geometric blocks. It reveals parts of the portrait in style. Add colorful gradients behind each shape. Use multiple blend for artistic mixing. You can duplicate to make multiple layer portraits. This style fits future